अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों। लेक्चर स्टार्ट होने से पहले आपसे गुजारिश की जाती है कि आप हमारे दूसरे चैनल को ज़रूर विज़िट करें, जिसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में मौजूद है। उसमें ग्रामर एमसीक्यूज़ क्विज़ अपलोड किए जाते हैं। इंशाल्लाह आपको बहुत फ़ायदा होगा। लेक्चर स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, व्हाट इज़ द सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ द टाइटल ऑफ द पोइम गुड टिम्बर? इसका आंसर है, द टाइटल ऑफ द पोइम गुड टिम्बर holds significance with respect to the message of the poem. The poet has artfully compared good timber with good men. He believes that it is not easy for both timber and men to become good without going through hard times. It is a bare fact that the more they suffer, the more they become worthwhile and beneficial for the society. Question number 2 है, what is good timber? How does a tree grow into good timber? इसका आंसर है, good timber faces adversity. Adversity कहते हैं मुसीबतों को, and hard times with bravery. It is the one that encounters the forces of nature, such as strong winds and unfavorable conditions throughout life. Due to this, it becomes vital, good and beneficial. A tree can only grow into good timber when it passes through tough tests of scorching sun, cold and hot weather, snow, rain. Question number 3 है, what, according to the Douglas Malloch, is the fate of those people who do not work hard in life? इसका आंसर है, according to the Douglas Malloch, those people who do not work hard never excel in any field of life. They cannot have a strong personality and can never develop their social, moral, and economic position. Such people live and die without achieving any significant in their life. Question number 4 है, how can a person achieve his or her true potential in life? Illustrate it with examples from the poem Good Timber. इसका आंसर है, a person can achieve his true potential only when he faces hardships, difficulties, and tough times with courage and determination. According to the poet, a man becomes strong when encounters and overcomes adversity in life. Hardships, unfavorable conditions, difficult situations polish our abilities and capabilities, thus help us in becoming good human beings. A person does not become strong if he gets everything easily without putting in hard work. Douglas compares good timber with men, as good timber has to bear harsh winds, rain, sunshine, and snow to become good and beneficial. Same is the case with men. Question number 5 है, what is the central idea of the poem Good Timber? इसका आंसर है, the central idea of the poem Good Timber is that in order to become good and beneficial, one has to face hardships and difficulties in life. Both timber and man have to overcome adversity with courage and determination. Struggle is the key to success to live a perfect, valuable life. Otherwise, both of them die without achieving anything worthwhile in their life. Question number 6 है, what is the rhyme scheme of the poem Good Timber? इसका आंसर है, Good Timber is one of the outstanding works of Douglas. It comprises 4 stanzas, each having 6 lines. The poem is well structured and follows a beautiful, consistent rhymic pattern. The rhyme scheme of poem is AABBCC. Question number 7 है. An extended metaphor is a poetic device in which two unlike things are compared in a series of lines of a poem. Give the example of an extended metaphor from the poem Good Timber. इसका आंसर है. The whole poem is an example of extended metaphor, as the poet has skillfully compared good timber with good man. He is of the opinion that both timber and man have to go through tough times of life to become good and beneficial. If they do not do so, they would not be able to achieve anything significant in their life. Question number 8 है. What is alliteration? Give its examples from the poem Good Timber. इसका आंसर है. Alliteration is the occurrence of the same letter or sound at the beginning of adjacent or closely connected words. The poet has used this literary technique of alliteration quite beautifully throughout his poem Good Timber. For instance, sun and sky, mainly man, storm and strength, sun and snow, good and grow, and broken branches.